So my plan today to install this RGB lights. I have a two actual set, but I will just need one. This is a controller that you connect. I will have to, because this one goes to 110, and I will splice this end, goes right here, and this one goes to the lights. Remote strip. So what I did so far, I installed this aluminum bracket all under the camper, and I will do it. It's only on the right side. That's it. Because usually on the campgrounds you only use right side of camper, like that's the view basically, and left side it's always in the shade kind of. This is the common trailer. Let's install these lights. So it's waterproof and it's 50-50 I believe, for 50-80. Yeah, it's a 50-50 LED strip and it's 12 volts. So there's a hole is in the front of the frame for the gas line. That's where I'm putting the light through, so I will hook to the battery. And this side, and then I will go through here. I will put some zip ties there and double side tape, and will look very good. So I use the acetone to remove the oil spots and all this stuff, so it's gonna be clean connection when I will take the double side tape. Okay, let's get the razor blade. We need to get to get double side tape going on. Stick it. So it holds up, but still we need to use a zip ties. Just like this. And I would say use the zip tie. I would say every maybe like half a foot or something, because this zip tie is actually, it's like, how much I paid for it. I paid for it like couple of bucks a bag, and the bag is pretty big size, so here, it will give your RV or tent trailer or any other recreation vehicle very nice view of it. But there is only one bad downside. It will attract mosquitoes. Looking good. Let's actually test it first, if it actually works, because I didn't even test it yet. So in order to test it, we need to plug this thing in, and for the wiring, there is the little arrow here, so you need to match it, arrow to arrow, like this, and turn on your power with a remote, aiming to right here, turn it on. Yep, it works. Let's pick a blue color, make it brighter or dimmer, so it's brighter. It works. Let's hook the rest of the wiring. I'm going to join a little more, like where I did the agreements, I will actually here to here and 1, 2. Yes, it will kind of go apart, and so where the wheels are, I'm going to one each side of the wheel. Okay. Almost done. I'm almost out of. Okay, that's fine. So when you at the end, this is the cutting spots, like where you have to cut it. So take a blade. Let's see if it's actually a cutting spot. I think so, yes. So just like this. And I will put the, I don't have a electric tape, but I will put a double side tape. And I will put like a couple of zip lines. Well, it's not really zip lines, it's zip ties. Lol. Yep, just like this. Okay. And a few more. And I think it's gonna be done. I'll be done underneath. It's gonna be only time to cut them with the scissors. or anything else. Let me put, I guess, one more here. Just make sure when you put in the zip ties, then don't put on the light. Don't put it on a light. Just put it on the joints, like somewhere here, just because the light. Okay, looking good. Let's light it up. Looking amazing. It already looks very nice under the trailer. Okay, so it's time now to cut the zip tie ends. And for this end, I will have a different zip tie, because I don't want to drill the extra hole. I will just use zip tie to make it hold it up good.